Good morning students. In our previous video we have completed our topic work, and from today we are going to start with energy. So life is impossible without energy. We use energy to do work and make all kind of movements. When we eat, our bodies transform the food into energy to do work. Also when we run or walk or do some kind of physical work, we use energy. In science, the term energy has a much more precise and definite meaning. So the energy is defined as the capacity of doing work by a body or an object. So in general, we can say that any body which is able to perform work is said to possess energy. So any object that possesses energy is capable of doing work. The SI unit of energy is same as that of work because it is the capacity for doing work. So the SI unit is same as that of work, which is joules. 1 joule is the energy required to do 1 joule of work. And if we talk about the higher units of or bigger units of energy, so it is 1 kilojoule, and 1 kilojoule is equal to 1000 joules. Also, there are various forms of energy like heat energy, light energy. Heat energy is basically the energy possessed by a body due to its temperature. Light energy, electrical energy, the energy of moving electrons in a conductor. You have studied about this energy in your electricity chapter. Chemical energy, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is basically the sum of kinetic energy as well as potential energy. So now in this chapter we are going to study about these two energies only, that is potential energy and kinetic energy. So let us start with the kinetic energy. So a moving object is capable of doing work because of its motion. Hence we say that the object has kinetic energy. So any object which is in motion, so that particular object is able to do work because of its motion, and that object has kinetic energy. Kinetikos in Greek means to move. Kinetic basically means to move. So kinetic energy is defined as the energy possessed by the object or body due to its motion. All moving objects possesses kinetic energy. So any object which is in motion has kinetic energy. Moving object has energy which is known as kinetic energy. Kinetic itself means to move. Now let us see some examples of kinetic energy. A falling coconut, a speeding car, a flying aircraft, flowing water, blowing wind, a running athlete, etc. all possesses kinetic energy. So anything which you see around you and that is in motion, it means that object has kinetic energy. So anything, a moving bus or a car has kinetic energy, flowing water has kinetic energy, moving ball has kinetic energy, blowing winds also possess kinetic energy. So anything which is in motion, even your rotating fan, that also possess kinetic energy. So anything in motion has kinetic energy. So anything which moves has kinetic energy, and the SI unit of kinetic energy is joules. Kinetic energy of an object depends upon its speed. An object moving faster has more kinetic energy than an object moving slower. So kinetic energy depends on the speed. More speed, more kinetic energy, less speed, less kinetic energy. So I hope the kinetic energy is clear to you all. In the next video, we are going to deduce the expression for kinetic energy, the formula for kinetic energy. So that's it for today. Thank you.